Joint Genesis is just $39 per bottle for a limited time. Joint Genesis, Biodynamix, is a one-of-a-kind joint health supplement that nourishes cartilage tissue and promotes a healthy inflammatory response. The formula is simple to use and just contains one ingredient, natural ingredients to achieve the result. Why should you use Joint Genesis? Made in the United States. 100% natural. GMP certified. FDA approved. Thousands of people have testified to the effectiveness of Joint Genesis. When I first discovered this remarkable product, I was desperate and willing to try anything to relieve my knee pain. To my great delight, it has returned my knees' movement and comfort to how they were 20 years ago. While I regret not finding it sooner, I am overjoyed to have discovered it now and feel like a completely different person. What exactly is Joint Genesis? Biodynamix Joint Genesis is a doctor-created supplement that aids in the relief of age-related joint discomfort. The recipe was created specifically for persons aged 50 to 70. Flexibility, mobility, and bone health are all aided by Biodynamix Joint Genesis. It relieves joint pain, stiffness, soreness, and edema. The supplement has therapeutic benefits on joint health and offers long-term joint function. Biodynamix Joint Genesis addresses the underlying cause of age-related joint degeneration while minimizing adverse effects. It works by replenishing synovial fluid in the joints, lowering inflammation and feeding and lubricating the joints. The supplement contains conventional yet clinically proven pain treatment components. Dr. Mark Ways, the creator of Biodynamix Joint Genesis, created a high-quality end product by combining contemporary processes and old recipes. Biodynamix Joint Genesis is made in the United States in a lab that follows FDA and GMP criteria. To ensure that customers get the cleanest and purest products, the firm assures the tightest quality requirements. The dose in the recipe is optimal for joint function. Biodynamix Joint Genesis is suitable for both men and women. It is gluten-free, nut-free, soy-free, egg-free, GMO-free, and crustacean-free. Act now, limited-time special pricing. While supplies last, reserve your Joint Genesis. How does Joint Genesis function? Synovial fluid, which is responsible for lubricating the cartilage and avoiding injury, is the major component of Joint Genesis. It also feeds and oxygenates the cartilage tissue, which keeps it healthy. However, as early as age 30, the synthesis of hyaluronan, a key component of cartilage, starts to decline, making it more difficult for the cartilage to remain hydrated and moisturized. The Biodynamix Joint Genesis supplement seeks to address these issues. Its components promote a healthy inflammatory response while also nourishing cartilage tissue. Mobily, a cutting-edge component in the supplement, aids in the synthesis of hyaluronan in synovial fluid. Mobily has a high concentration of antioxidants, which assist to minimize oxidative stress and protect joints from wear and strain. Biodynamix Joint Genesis helps to lubricate and soften tight joints, decreasing stiffness and discomfort by boosting the production of synovial fluid and hyaluronan. It also improves the blood circulation to the cartilage tissue, ensuring that it gets a steady amount of oxygen and nutrients to remain healthy. Overall, this supplement may aid in the protection of joints and cartilage, as well as the maintenance of joint health. Buy now link in description. Joint Genesis ingredients. Joint Genesis includes powerful substances that have been carefully researched and clinically verified to effectively relieve aging joint pain. Each substance has been thoroughly tested to verify its effectiveness in giving relief. The following substances were utilized in the creation of Joint Genesis. 1. Boswellia serrata. 2. Ginger. 3. Hyaluronic acid. 4. Pine bark. 5. Black pepper. Act now, limited time special pricing. While supplies last, Reserve your Joint Genesis. Buy now link in description. The advantages of Joint Genesis. 1. This supplement offers vital nutrients that assist cartilage tissue sustenance, which is critical for maintaining good joint health. 2. Joint Genesis lubricating characteristics help to moisten dry cartilage, while also creating a protective shell to protect the cartilage tissue. 3. The components in Joint Genesis can successfully prevent the incidence of chronic fractures in the future by improving bone density. 4. It aids in the smooth motion of joints by reducing friction between them. 5. Joint Genesis enhances joint flexibility, mobility, and comfort for improved joint function. 6. Biodynamix stimulates an anti-inflammatory response in order to counteract harmful cytokines. 7. This tried-and-true mixture stimulates the creation of hyaluronan, a vital component that aids in joint lubrication. 8. The supplement promotes joint health by combating free radicals and oxidative stress, which are responsible for joint degeneration.